girls. This is going to be our reading lesson for today. So before we went home and found out we weren't going to come back to school, we were working on our story called It Was Too Dark. So it's been a couple weeks since we've read it. I know I've had it on your unique system, so maybe you've been reading it at home. But just in case, we're going to read it again together today, and we're going to answer the questions that go with it. Tomorrow we'll read it one more time together, and we'll do the other comprehension activities that go with it. And then on Wednesday, we'll look at our new article, which has also been on your unique system, so you might have read it at home with mom and dad, I'm not sure. So we'll do the article and we'll answer questions on Wednesday and Thursday. And then next week we'll start our new material for the month of April, okay? So here is our story. It Was Too Dark by Claire Rett. It is nighttime. Olivia is in bed. It is very dark in Olivia's room. Olivia tries to go to sleep. She wants a drink of water. She can't see her water bottle. It is too dark. Olivia says, I need a light. So you can see in her thought bubble, in her brain, she's thinking about the water, but her room is so dark, she says, I need a light. So let's see what happens. Olivia turns on her flashlight. Now she can see her water bottle. It is on the nightstand by her bed. Olivia takes a drink of water. So to solve her problem, she turned on her flashlight so that she could see and get her water. So let's see what happens next. We have another thought bubble. So, what do you think is going to happen next? Let's make a prediction based on our picture. What do you think is happening? What does she want next? Let's see. I think that's a good prediction. Let's see what the words say. Olivia tries to go to sleep. She wants her blanket. She can't see her blanket. It is too dark. Olivia says, I need a light. All right, so she's thinking in her thought bubble, I really wish I had my blanket, but I can't see. I need a light. So what do you think she's going to do to solve her problem? What do you think she's going to do? I think that's a good idea. I think she probably will use her flashlight again. So let's see. Olivia turns on her flashlight. Now she can see her blanket. It is on her chair. Olivia puts her blanket on the bed. Good, so she had a problem. It was too dark and she couldn't see, but she wanted her blanket. So she got her flashlight to find her blanket. Let's see what happens next. We have another thought bubble. And this is one of our vocabulary words that we had before we went on break. So this is one of our vocabulary words in your system for this month too. So this is the word sound. Very good. Hearing a sound. So Olivia tries to go to sleep. She hears a sound by her door. She can't see what is making the sounds. It is too dark. Olivia says, I need a light. So we can make two predictions here. One prediction, what do you think is making the sound? So let's talk with your mom and dad or brothers and sisters. What do you think is making that noise? And two, what do you think she's going to do to see what's making the noise? So I think those are good predictions. Let's see if you're right. Oops, sorry, my page is stuck together. Olivia turns on her flashlight. Now she can see her cat, Mimi. Mimi wants to go out the door. Olivia lets Mimi out. So she used her flashlight to solve her problem, and the noise that she heard was coming from her cat. Oh, we have another thought bubble. So now what is she thinking about? Yeah, her teddy bear. Olivia tries to go to sleep. She wants her favorite bear. Teddy can't see where... I'm sorry, this daily messed up. She wants her favorite bear, Teddy. She can't see where Teddy is. It is too dark. Olivia says, I need a light. So what's our prediction? What's she going to do to solve her problem? Olivia turns on her flashlight. Now she can see Teddy. Teddy is on the shelf. Olivia brings Teddy to her bed. Okay. Excuse me. Olivia is almost asleep. She hears someone say her name. She can't see who is talking. It is too dark. Olivia says, I need a light. Who do you think is talking to her? Who do you think is calling her name? Let's see. Olivia turns on her flashlight. Now she can see her mom. Her mom wants to say goodnight. Olivia hugs her mom and says goodnight. So now she's gotten her water, she has her blanket, she let the cat out of the room, she got her teddy bear, and her mom told her goodnight. So Olivia turns off her flashlight. She finally falls asleep. Let's see how the pages are sticking together. And we know what this says. We read this every book. E-N. Okay? So now that we've gone through our story, we're going to use our computer to answer our questions, and we're going to work together. I know it's a little hard to see. Miss Delia's going to make it as big as I can. What is Olivia trying to do? So in our story, it's too dark, and what is she trying to do because it's nighttime? Is she trying to jump? Is she trying to sleep? Or is she trying to play? Well, I know that she's in bed and it's nighttime, and at nighttime we go to sleep. So I think that's probably a good answer. And we got a ding noise. That means we are correct. All right, next question. Why can't Olivia see what she wants? So in our story, it was too dark. Olivia was having trouble seeing her bear and her water and what was making the noise. So was that because it was too bright, it was too cold, or it was too dark? Well, we know our book is called It Was Too Dark. So I think that's probably a good choice. It was too dark.
Too dark.
And dang, we got it right. All right. What does Olivia say she needs? So every time Olivia tries to find something, she says, it is too dark. Olivia says, I need a light. So every time it's too dark, I need a light. Every time she needs to find something. So what does she say she needs? Does she need a light, pizza, or a jacket? Well, pizza sounds really good right now, but I don't think pizza is going to help her see in the dark. And a jacket is when we're cold, and it's not cold, it's just dark. So I think our best choice is a light. She needs a light. Good job. All right. What does Olivia turn on to get the light? So what does she use when it's dark to have light? Does she use water, a flashlight, or a fan? Well, I remember that she drank water out of a bottle in the story, but I don't think that she used that to see. And I know that a fan is when it gets hot and you need to cool off, you turn on a fan, so I don't think that's a very good choice. So maybe flashlight, but I can't remember for sure, so I'm going to go in the story and see if I can find it. And even when I don't know the words, I can look at the picture and see if I can find the answer. So she tries to go to sleep. She's thinking about her water bottle. And then, oh, there's the picture. In this picture, she's turning on a flashlight to see the water bottle. So I think I'm going to go with the choice flashlight. Let's see.
Flashlight.
We got it correct. All right, this is our last question. What can Olivia do when she turns on her flashlight? So what can she do? What does she use the flashlight to do? Is it to feel something, to hear something, or to see something? Well, I know that feeling something is when you use your sense of touch, and I don't think a flashlight lets you touch anything, so I don't think it's that one. And to hear something, I use my ears, and I don't use my ears when I use a flashlight. So I think a flashlight turns the light on and makes things brighter so that I can see them with my eyes. So I think I'm going to pick C.
C.
Yeah, the flashlight helped her to see. All right, we did a wonderful job. So the last thing I want to talk about is what was the main idea? What was this whole story about? So the whole story was my friend here, Olivia, and she was using her flashlight to see in the dark. I think that's what happened in the whole story. She used her flashlight and saw things in the dark. That's what our main idea is, okay? Our characters in the story are Olivia, and we saw her mom. And then the setting is where they are, and they are in the bedroom, okay? So that was our story for today. Tomorrow we'll read this story one more time, and we'll do our other comprehension activities together, okay? Make sure that you go on your unique problem and read the story one more time and see if you can do the questions by yourself. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow.